Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Rahul Automation Studio. So a quick video on how you can zoom in and zoom out on the web page. So generally guys, how do you manually do the zoom in and zoom out? So you press the Control plus to do the zoom out, right? So let's go to any page and here if you want to do the zoom in. So like how this you will be doing the zoom in. You will be pressing Control plus sign. And if you want to zoom out, like you will be pressing the and right? So how you can do the same thing with the help of the Selenium. So the same thing guys we can achieve with the help of the Selenium. And on the similar way, if you want to do it within the browser itself, so how you can do within the browser? So you can do with the help of the JavaScript. So you can simply go to the console and you can type like document dot body because on the body we want to zoom in and zoom out. Then you will be pressing as a style, which style you want. Then I want as a zoom. So how much zoom you want? So you can either you can give as a percentage or you can give as a any value as like I want 50% zoom or you can give in the decimal. So if you do the press enter, so immediately you can see your screen, right? And same thing if you want to do more zooming in that, you can give 200% as well and just click on enter. Now you can see the screen. So zoom in and zoom out is feasible with the help of JavaScript as well. And the same concept and the same approach we are going to use and we are going to achieve with the help of the Selenium as well. So how we can do that? So quickly, I will create a new class. Okay. And I'm already having that Maven project. So in that I'm creating a new class that is to zoom in and out example. So include the public static void main in there. Just click on finish. And after that, so we are using, so let me just check the Selenium version that which Selenium version I'm using. So the Selenium version that I'm using in my project is 4.11.0, which is the latest version. So in that case, I don't need to use any system.set property or I don't need to use any WebDriver manager. So simply I can launch my Chrome browser here with single line of a code. Like this I can use. And we need to import the step driver and Chrome driver from the Selenium. Like this. And after that, we need to open the URL. So we can open the URL with the help of the get method. And this URL we have tried. So any URL you can open or to application we can try. So just simply give the URL here. And after that, we have to do the zoom in and zoom out. So zoom out and zoom in we can do with the help of JavaScript executor. So in the similar way we have seen in the browser with the help of JavaScript, we can do the similar way we will be executing it with the help of the Selenium. So how you can do that? So just you need to cast your JavaScript executor, I mean your driver as a JavaScript executor, create one reference variable for that. And so just let's do that. So this is the simple syntax that we have to convert our driver into the JavaScript executor. And this JavaScript executor we need to import from the Selenium. So our driver is passed into JavaScript executor, and this is my reference variable for JavaScript executor. And with the help of this, I am going to execute my JavaScript, right? So no need to pass the second argument even. So in double quotes, pass the same line of text, right? This is the JavaScript. So zoom, right? Let's try to give that. And yeah, I think that is fine. Just try to run. So run your test case. application. So it has to open this URL, and after that it has to do the zoom with 200% on this particular page. Similar way, it's in your application if you need to zoom in or zoom out, so definitely you can. So you can see it has been zoomed my application 200%. Similar way, if you want zoom in, so you can do that. Just zoom out. So suppose I want it 50%. So definitely you can just give the 50%. Once it will do 200%, then again it will do the 50%. So any zoom percentage you can give there. Just try to run this. And this can be your interview question as well. How you can do the zoom in, zoom out. And this new feature is available since your Selenium WebDriver 4. So you can do the zoom in and zoom out. The things maybe you can give in the percentage as well. Maybe in the decimal, sorry, percentage are already giving. So you can give in the decimal or decimals like 0.5. And let's try to run this. Okay, giving the decimal 0.5 is like 50%. One is like 100%. So you can give in that way as well. So zoom in and zoom out in your application. So it is a requirement. So definitely that you can. So you can see it is done 0.5%. So this was the quick update and quick video on zoom in and zoom out things. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, Rahul Automation Studio. So I follow and I make all the latest technologies videos and whatever the new changes comes in our Selenium or any Selenium version. So I make the videos on them. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thanks to everyone. Thank you.